Hindi naman ako mahilig magbasa ng Bible, pero mahal ko ang Diyos. Familiar line, right? Isa ka bang Christian na hindi rin mahilig magbasa ng Bible? If yes, this content is for you. Madalas na natin tong marinig. Hindi naman ako mahilig magbasa ng Bible, pero mahal ko ang Diyos. Required ba kasi na magbasa ng Bible para magkaroon ng salvation? Does not reading the Bible mean that you don't love God? And the Bible itself, wala namang direct na nakasulat na kailangang basahin ng Bible para magkaroon ng salvation. Always remember that we are saved by grace through faith to our Lord Jesus Christ, and not by work or by reading the Bible. And no, does not reading the Bible does not automatically mean that you don't love God. Pero let's be real. Reading the Bible help us know God more. And knowing Him help us grow in our faith. Because as a human, it's our nature not to trust someone we don't know that much. Reading the Bible can help us to love Him more. And that love shows through obedience and service. In John 14:15, Jesus himself said, "If you love me, keep my commandments." But we should also keep in our mind what was written in John chapter 1 verse 1. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. John 1:1 doesn't say that reading the Bible makes you love God. It shows that knowing Jesus is central. The Bible points to the Word, and Jesus Himself is the Word. And we get to know Him more by reading the Bible. So let's read the Bible, mga kapatid, not as a requirements, but as a relationship. That's all for today, but I'm gonna leave you with a question. Sa'yo ba, ano ang mas mahalaga? Knowing about God or knowing God? Shalom, kapatid!